What? I don't wanna. But come. Is that, oh, that's Alex? You guys took her. Oh, wait, let's go then. Bye, percas. You know. Oh, there you go. There you go. Huh? Right, so what?
Oh, I left my gum. It fell out of my pocket again.
I like gum. She doesn't bite, right? Hey, I should.
Hey guys, I want to see a new dog.
Oh yeah, Omar has some dog.
Not now. Let's run
Huh?
it. Let's run it.
Oh, okay. It's so hard. Fuck! Low battery shit. He got fast. Fast big bean the third.
Whoa. He lost the carry. Look it.
Dude, you say he went out. You say
No, I'm gonna take her out.
Oh, you guys are gonna take it.
Hey, but actually went away.
Say hi to the camera.
Say hello, Skye. Hello.
Oh, he's getting a little feisty. He's getting a little feisty.
Because he's happy.
I guess.
Skye. Oh no,
He's getting to know me. He's getting to know me. Look, he's getting to know me.
No,
He knows my set now. Wait.
Get her toys.
This is his distraction. Her name is Mrs. Wiggles. Look at. Say hi.
A distraction. No.
No, McBee. Are you guys allowed to take her out?
It's our dog.
Let's take her out. Hey, do you have a leash? You guys don't have a leash?
We're gonna buy one.
Yeah. You guys should get a leash. You guys could walk her. I guess.
No.
What?
Buy it.
Lol.
No. she already got in those.
That's Berka. What are you doing? Oh, they don't work anymore. Yeah, they don't work anymore.
Why?
I don't know. Oh, they do work. They don't have charge.
Oh, there's my gum.
Yeah.
Here's my gum.
Hubba Bubba's McBean. Can I pet her? Hi. Oh, she saw. They're calling you.
Yeah.
Yay, I like these type of gums.
No!
Dude, you got her out. Oh, he's chasing. Dude, we should call Danny. Proof that I'm eating it. Alright. Wow. Oh, dude, the dog's over there. What the? What happened? Oh shit. What happened? What happened?
Get her second toy. Go get her second toy.
Okay. What second toy? This is so confusing. Oh, you guys got it anyway.
Right here, Alex.
Don't let her escape. She's gonna go under the car. It's not there anymore.
No, please tag with her. She's in.
Alright, bye, puercas.